Barbie, oh, there are two kinds of people in the world. There are those that walk into a party and say, oh, there you are. And then there's the kind that walk in and say, here I am. Guess which Barbie is? She wanted to show off her new dress and her witch's hat that is a different color than the other girls. She wanted pink. I had to talk her into the little melon color, but it worked. Today I want to talk to you about witches' hats for dolls, for anybody. I buy most of my witches' hats in two places. One, garage sales when I see them, and the other place is the hobby store. And like Hobby Lobby or Michael's, or sometimes even like your hobby stores that sell the little model cars and stuff like that. Sometimes they have that sort of stuff. Not so much anymore. I want to tell you, we had a funny thing happen. Darren designed and printed these hats for my dolls. I'm very blessed. I wish I could send these to you. I cannot. By the time we box this up and bubble wrapped them, and it would be over $20 just in the USA. And we send to everybody, so it just wouldn't be fair. Anyway, we wanted to show you a funny thing that happens on the 3D printer with the witches' hats. We have printed many, many things, and we both noticed it and we're like, what is that? Listen. If you know someone with a 3D printer, ask them to make you a witch's hat. Try your local library. Some libraries have a 3D printer. Now, they may not have a big lot of colors, but check and see. If your spouse or if a friend mentions 3D printer, say yes, support them, throw a little money in. It's a lot of fun. I cannot send you one of the witches' hats. It's just too costly. But I can send you this adorable 12-inch Monster High or Barbie or Blythe or any of the little 12-inch fashion dolls. This little tea set. It is so cute. What color is it? Well, it depends on the season. For Halloween, it is blood red. For fall, it is fall color leaf red. For Christmas, it is Santa red. So see, you'd be ready for all of the holidays with this cute little tea set. To be eligible to win this cute little tea set, you must be a subscriber, you must leave a comment, and we'd sure appreciate it if you like our video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, tell me what kind of witches hats you're using for your dolls, and please subscribe.